Hi guys. God. Hi guys, welcome to a new video. This video is a bit different. It's nothing about photography or anything. It's actually for my office. So what I'm doing, basically I've got these sort of workman legs as for my legs for my desk, and all I need to do is put a plank of wood on there and I've got a desk. Basically in like what I want to do is I want to have some really old fashioned top, like a door type thing. So what we're doing at this place at the minute, and in the loft we found this old door here, basically, and so I thought this would be a great work surface, a worktop for our desk. So what I'm doing right now, I've got to basically take off all the bits, all the joints and the handle. So I thought I'd take you through my process of building up my desk. So yeah, so I hope you enjoy it, and I'll talk to you in a minute. Right, all the hinges are off, except for one was a bit of a different one, but yeah. So now I'm going to take the door lock off. You know how to take a door off, yeah, you know, you can just pull this part. But, you know, this is really different because it's an old-fashioned one. It should be quite forward, but you know, let's see. So this is a very heavy door. What we need to do here is get the Phillips head on this, and basically we're just going to take Phillips and a flathead. Too much. It's amazing what rust can do to a door. Right, so I've got most of the metal stuff, most of the metal off of it. So I'm leaving these two on here off the door. Now there's a reason that they're quite stuck in there, and if I really get a hammer and chisel it all out, I'm just going to damage the wood very bad. I don't want to do that. I don't want to damage it that bad. So I'm going to keep them on there and keep it as an effect. So next step is sanding. So when you sand with old wood, always wear a mask, which I'm going to get now, because they're hundreds of years old, these things. Like, you don't know how long, I don't know how old this door is, so it's got dust, mould, you know, anything. So always wear a mask when dealing with old wood. Now I should have been wearing a mask when I was unscrewing it all, but it was only unscrewing it. Anyway, I'm rambling now, so I'm going to get my mask and get sanding. Right, so I've got sandpaper, mask, and so yeah, let's get sanding. What I've just found is these little nails on top. This is always why you should always look at the wood, make sure it's all proper. Look, I've got these nails here, because they can scratch anything on the top, on the whatever you put on there. So always make sure your wood's clean. Just trying to get all the bits. This is what you have to do with old wood. So, But you see this when you sand as well. You can see when you start sanding, this there's two reasons why I'm not using an electric sander. One is because of this, because I don't want sparks and stuff like that, and our electric sander's broken. Yeah. So I've got to do it with a hand. But I'm looking at it, and I'm just going to do a light sound because it looks. I like the colour of it. I think it's quite nice. So yeah, but we'll go, we'll go with this as it goes on. And I can't see any more bits of sound. No nails at the minute. Quite well we're safe. Alright, so back to sounding. Right, so now I've done the sounding. I might do a little bit of another look sound later, but I think this sounds enough and I'm just going to do a bit of hoover. But I need to make sure it's long enough. So it's 29.5, it's a bit too long, so I've got to chop off this. And so yeah, here we go.